Today we're going to be unboxing the GARTOL Hedge chair. This is a garden edge chair, so let's unbox it and let's clean up these edges. So this garden edge chair is made out of high carbon steel and the handle is made out of thermoplastic rubber, so you can see how the blade is, and it has very high shock absorbent, so for when you're using it, it's very comfortable. So we're gonna test it out, and you see it's easy on the hand and it cuts really well. You can see how crisp the cutting is, and I don't have to put so much tension. There's not so much tension on my hand when I'm cutting with it. So this is absolutely beautiful. You can use it to edge the plant, you can use it to round it, and it cuts very well. So this is nice for if you have a garden, if you want to trim. So these are just shrubs. I'm gonna cut branches now, so come on over. It cuts these branches really nicely. So you see, very easily it cuts it and helps me shape my plant the way I want it to be shaped. For me, this is a very good tool to have. It's very durable, it's not heavy at all, it's quite light, and I absolutely like it.